all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about basic principles of platter presentation. Elements of a buffet platter: buffet balance, unity, follow, focal point. Balance. Simply, we complex include a spatial balance use a combination of both techniques, usually use a variety of color, natural and appetizing textures, smooth wets, coarse, solid wets, soft, food groups, flavor, protein wets, carbohydrates, spicy wets, sweet wets, sure. Unity layout should be cohesive, develop a sense of movement, quality of lines, strong lines, weights, weak lines, consist size, sequence, singling of slices, be consistent with portions, garnished must be proportions identically in size, placement and directions, always shown the best side, flow, develop a sense of movement, proper sequence, and sealing of slices, focal point, point area to which the eye is automatically drawn, depends on placement and relationship to the food components. More important factors to consider: plan in advance, create a design and diagram, remember the total concept, flowers, edge, garnish on a platter, edible or non-edible. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.